Hi everybody, I am back with another video. This is Patti's Southern Kitchen and I welcome you in. I am going to make a quick, simple chili with beans this morning. Okay, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. The black beans, 1 can, and I will drain those beans and rinse them off. I'm using the pinto beans with jalapenos, medium heat, tomatoes, petite diced tomatoes, light red kidney beans, 1 can of each. And the seasonings, the dry seasonings are garlic powder, chili powder, all-purpose Greek seasoning, parsley flakes, onion powder, and I have salt and pepper mixed in here. This is my meat, and I'll put some seasoning on the meat. I have, as you can see here, let me bring you in. I have onions already chopped here. You can see the onions, and I'm going to chop this jalapeno pepper and put it in. And when I get it all mixed up, I'm going to come in. It's just no need to keep you waiting while I do all of this. So I have my skillet over here, and it has a little bit of, let's see if I can bring it into the skillet. Yeah, here it is. And it has some, a little fat from a hamburger that I just fried. So I'm gonna put my meat right in here. And then I'll put some seasoning on that side of it. Okay, you see that? And I'll move it around and put some more seasoning on that side. And then I'll put my onions and jalapeno pepper, and then I'll move that around a little and start mixing all of my other ingredients. But I'll be right back. I'll pause right here. Okay, y'all, I got everything together, and I had to transfer to my cast iron roaster because, well, Dutch oven, because I didn't have enough room in the skillet. So it's all put together here. And what I didn't tell you is I added this Better Than Bouillon chicken base. This is really good stuff. I added that and added water, and now I'm just gonna let it simmer down, and once it's done and ready, I'll bring you back and show you what's next. Talk to you in just a bit. Okay, my cyber babies, I am back, and this is the chili. It is back by popular demand. My son-in-law is one of my subscribers, and he loves my chili. He's always ready to get a pot of good chili. And here it is. It is done. And to thicken it a little, I just mashed up some of the beans in it. And you know, as long as it sets, it will thicken up. You know, the longer it sets, should I say. And here it is, just a pot full of goodness. And I have plated me some here, and I have some cheese, some mild cheddar on mine, and some chopped up onions. And I was looking for some sour cream in the fridge, but I've used it all. But I love it with these chopped raw onions and cheese on top, and I like my sour cream too. But anyway, I am going to take a bite, and I wish you guys were here to witness and to help me eat it. And these onions and cheese really do the trick. Look at that. All of that goodness. It's so good. Just scrumptious. Please subscribe, share, ring that notification bell to be reminded of uploads. Follow me on the next video. If you make chili, tell me how you make yours. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tell me how yours turned out. I'll talk to you soon. I love you all. Thank you so much for joining and being a part of this channel, because without you all, I couldn't do anything. So I'm grateful for every one of you. I'll talk to you soon. This is Patti. Bye now.